School kids, they've actually still been hitting the books this summer, taking part in the city's Summer Rising program. It offers students a way to keep up on their academics during the summer, but they also get to have a little bit of fun too. New York One's Lori Chung got a look inside one school on Staten Island where administrators say project-based learning is helping to keep kids engaged.
Yeah, it spins the beads around.
Science class in August. It might not be how some kids want to spend summer, but Eric Lynn is having a ball.
You could do like experiments that you never knew about and they could learn from it. One of my favorites was probably the tornado we just did, and it's wonderful.
The 11-year-old getting a jump on the next school year through the city's Summer Rising program, which promises a mix of academics and recreation for public school students.
Summer camp, you get like cool experiments, you could do anything, and good like math things. It's better than normal school, I think.
Administrators opening the doors to PS 52 in Staten Island for a look at the program, which serves students from kindergarten through the 8th grade.
Oh, that's a good tactic.
This year, expanding to offer spots to 110,000 kids after complaints from parents that had trouble enrolling their children.
They're engaged, they're learning, and I know there was questions about it at the beginning of Summer Rising, but it's really been a great experience for students.
More than 350 students are enrolled in this building. Principal Donna Bonanno says there's a focus on hands-on learning.
So we asked them what part of the day is the best part for them. They would say do it by creating experiments, creating projects.
And sharing what they've learned with each other.
So what did you guys think at first?
I just hope I learn new things and
Looking to start 6th grade in the fall, Eric, for one, is happy to have a seat here.
I just hope I learn new things.
Lori Chung, New York One.